Hey everyone, welcome back to Visual Gravity. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this really cool mobile VFX shot using Blender. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along. Let's get started.
First, open Blender. You'll see some default objects in the scene. Just select everything and delete it so we can start fresh. Now, at the top of the screen, click the little plus icon. From the menu, choose VFX and then click on Motion Tracking. This will open up the Motion Tracking workspace. Next, let's bring in our footage. Click Open and load the video you want to track. Once the video's loaded, click on Set Scene Frames. This makes sure Blender uses the same frame range as your video. Then click Prefetch so Blender loads all the frames into memory. We're going to track the movement in the video. First, we'll track the camera, and later we'll track the object. To do this, go to the Motion model and select Location, Rotation, and Scale. Now click Add. Pick a high contrast area in your video, somewhere that's easy for Blender to follow, like a sharp edge or a bright spot. Left-click to place a tracker there, then click Track Forward, and Blender will follow that point through the video. I'll add a few more trackers to make the tracking more accurate, and once we're happy, we can move on. Now go to the Solve tab. Here, select Focal Length and Optical Center, then click Solve. If the error number is too high, don't worry. Just change the A and B keyframes, then click Solve again. This should give you a much lower error, which means the tracking is more accurate. On the right side, you'll see the Track panel. Under Object, click the plus button. This adds an object track, which lets us track only the object instead of the whole camera. Now, let's track the phone itself. Add some trackers directly on the phone in your footage and track them forward. Once that's done, go to the Solve tab and solve the object motion. On the left side, select the camera, then click Set as Background. After that, click Set up Tracking Scene. Blender will now create a camera that matches the movement in your video. Next, go to the Output Properties panel and adjust the resolution to match your footage. Now select 3 trackers on the camera that are on a flat surface like the wall. Right-click and choose Set as Wall. Switch to the Object Tracking mode. Select all the trackers, go to Geometry, and click 3D Markers to Mesh. Now go back to the Layout workspace. Select the trackers, then go to the Constraint tab. Add an Object Solver. In the Object field, choose the object we just tracked. In the Camera field, select the camera, then click Set Inverse. If you press play, you'll see the trackers following the object. Next, add a plane. Move and scale it so it lines up with the trackers. Select the trackers first, then the plane, and parent them together. Now, if you play the animation, the plane should follow the phone's motion perfectly. Now it's time to bring in our 3D phone model. Import the model, then add 2 constraints: Copy Location and Copy Rotation. For both of them, select the plane we just created as the target. Apply these constraints and parent the phone model to the plane. Switch to Render View and change the render engine to cycles. Add an HDRI for lighting, and in the Render Properties under Film, turn on Transparent. Finally, I'll add the eye model, move it into place on the phone, and parent it to the mobile. And that's it. Now you can render the animation and you'll have this awesome mobile VFX shot ready to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Visual Gravity. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender VFX tutorials. See you in the next one.